Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on MacBook. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now Roblox, you want to go ahead and go to roblox.com and log into your account. After you've done that, you want to choose the game which you want to go ahead and play. Just click on it. After it will load up, you want to click this play button. Now the Roblox is loading and you will see this message, download and install Roblox. So you want to click on it. After that, you will see that this will download to your computer. You will need to double click it. So let's do that. Now this will pop up. You want to again click on it 2 times and open it. Now it will load up like so, configuring. And now this will pop up. All you have to do is click login, enter your password, click login, and now you are logged into your account and you can go ahead and play your games. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.